create your own AI influencer with consistent images, well, almost consistent images using this super easy website. To create our very own AI influencer with consistent images, we will use this website rendernet.ai. I'll leave the link of the website below. Once you come here, this is the kind of interface you'll see where you'll be able to quickly run through the summary of various. If you've gone through the website, just simply come here and click on launch app. It'll ask you to create a free account using your email ID. Once you log in, you'll see this kind of an interface. You can once again go through the various creations of other creators, or you can start from scratch. In which case, first we'll go to Studio, then you'll see this kind of an interface. We'll go through all of the features one by one, but first let's start with the basics. Here we'll come to the prompt box. Here we'll just give it a very basic prompt. Beautiful fashionable woman wearing fashionable clothes posing on a city street, nighttime view, and we'll simply click on generate for our first character. So this is the result we got from the first prompt. Looks quite good. These are some of the other results from the same prompt. I reran the same prompt a couple of other times to get some other results. All of them look quite good. Now let's get on to some of the advanced features and to see as to how we can create consistent characters. To do so, we'll quickly go through some of the features this website has to offer. So if you come here and click on magic mode, it says that we don't need to add complex prompts and simple prompts will give us excellent results. Then you come here and click on models, and here you'll see we have selected all for right now, and all these amazing models are available: cyber realistic, next photo, epic realism, unstable, diff, animerge. So you can go through all of them and use whatever you like. All the models are also categorized in terms of various themes like anime, art, photoreal, Excel model. So as per the guidelines of the website, consistent characters work best with photoreal models. So we'll select photoreal, and we'll select epic realism because this seems to work really well. Now we'll come to settings. Here you can select the number of images you want per generation. We'll let the seed remain at default. We'll also let the image sampler remain at the default one which says popular. Needed to taken. Here you can select the number of steps taken by the sampler. It's recommended to keep it anywhere between 25 to 35. I'll take it to 30. Here we have the AI guidance scale which says a lower number makes the AI model more creative. I'll let the default 9 remain as is, and here of course we can select the aspect ratio. So I'll let this be at 2:3. Once you come up here, you have the option to select the kind of image you want, HD or Ultra HD. Aspect ratio is already has been selected. After you're done with settings, come here and click on LoRa, and here you can choose from any of the LoRa models that are available: cinema, detail slider, add more details, better hands. Let's select this. I'm assuming this will ensure that we get good detailed hands, and the hand problem that most AI image generators have will not be experienced by us. And now for the feature that you've been really waiting for, as to how can we generate consistent characters. To generate consistent characters, simply come here and click on face lock, and we'll toggle this on, and now we can just upload an image whose face we want to use to create our influencer. So I'll just upload an image that I got off Midjourney. I'll use this. The face lock toggle is on. Here it's given some basic guidelines. Here it also mentions that use one of the realistic models, make sure the image does not have glasses and it's not taken from too far. So my face lock model is on. Now I'll just give it a prompt. I've just given it a very basic prompt: a blonde, beautiful, fashionable lady wearing a red dress. And we've chosen this image as our influencer, and I'll just click on generate. And this is the result we got. It's pretty incredible, right? It's not 100% matching to the reference image, but it's quite good. They are not 100% accurate when I compare it to the reference image uploaded, but it's still pretty nice. In this particular image, the eyes seem a little off, but they still seem pretty nice. So if you click on any of the image, you'll once again see all these three options here. Now let's try and change the pose of the influencer. So to do that, simply click on pose control, and here we need to upload an image as a reference for the pose that we want the influencer to have. So I'll just upload an image. I'll just select the image. Here once you come down, here you have the option of selecting from any of these styles available. I'll stick to depth. The SDXL preprocessor, once again I'll stick to depth. Control mode, prompt is more important, post control is more important. We'll stick to balanced obviously. Resize mode, resize and fill, crop and resize, just resize. So crop and resize seems good. And now we'll give it a prompt. So I've just given it a prompt in order to try and match the reference photo that I have uploaded, and I'll click on generate. And this is the result we've got. It's not really accurate, but it's quite good. Let's check out the other option. They are not very accurate, but they are pretty good. Now let's try another pose. Once again, I'll just come here. I'll click on change photo. I'll select another one that I had uploaded. This time we'll try something more drastic, like this lady running, to see what's the result we get. A blonde, beautiful lady. So I've given it the prompt, a blonde, beautiful lady running in workout gear. This time to try and get this kind of a pose. And I'll simply click on generate. And this is the result we have when we tried to make this influencer run. The face has changed a bit, but not bad, one would say. She looks quite muscular and fit. Let's try out something else. I'll once again go to face lock. This time I'll try another photo. Let's try her. So I've given it a basic prompt. A beautiful blonde lady wearing a red dress in a party. Hyper realistic, photorealistic. I'll select the Laura as better hands. And I'll go back to models. I'll select epic realism. I'll go back to face lock, and now I'll just simply click on generate, and let's see the result. And this is the result we have. Not bad, one would say. So you see, the possibilities are quite endless, and if you are really serious about creating your own AI influencer about whose lifestyle you would like to post across various social media platforms, you can certainly consider giving this website a try. And if you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. This website gives a free plan which lets you create about 10 images per day, and their paid version costs about $9 a month, letting you create 1000 images per month. So check this out with the link below.